In today's video, I'm going to teach you Owner's Draw via Direct Deposit, QuickBooks Online tutorial. If you're an owner taking funds out of the business, you want that movement recorded as equity, not as an expense. We'll use QuickBooks Online to set up the draw and send the money by direct deposit through bill pay, keeping your books clean and your payment simple. First, in QuickBooks Online, click New at the top left and choose Bill. Even though this is an owner's draw, creating a bill is what lets QuickBooks route the payment through bill pay, so the funds can be sent electronically. Next, set the owner as the vendor. This tells QuickBooks who is getting paid and ensures bill pay can address the payment to the right person. If you haven't used the owner as a vendor before, confirm the vendor profile is accurate so bill pay has what it needs to deliver the direct deposit. In the category details on the bill, select the owner's equity account. This is crucial. A draw reduces equity and should not show up as an expense on your profit and loss. If you don't see an appropriate equity account in the list, create one and set the account type to equity with a detail type of owner's equity. That labeling makes sure QuickBooks classifies the draw correctly on your balance sheet. Once that equity account is selected for the bill's category, enter the amount you're drawing. You can add a memo such as Owner's Draw for clarity, and if helpful for your records, include any internal notes. Double-check that the bill date and due date reflect when you want the payment processed. Now click Save and Schedule Payment. QuickBooks will redirect you to QuickBooks Bill Pay, where you can send the money directly at no additional cost. Choose the funding account you want to use, pick the payment date, and confirm the delivery method. If the vendor profile supports direct deposit, bill pay will move the funds electronically, and you'll get status updates as it processes. That's all there is to it. By entering the bill to the owner as a vendor, pointing the category to the owner's equity account, and using Save and Schedule Payment, you've recorded the draw properly and sent it out via direct deposit in one smooth workflow. As a tip, always verify the equity account selection before you schedule payment, and consider keeping separate equity accounts if there are multiple owners, so each draw is tracked individually. This approach maintains accurate books, keeps your profit and loss clean, and gives you a straightforward, professional way to pay yourself through QuickBooks.